Hello and welcome to Tim's BMW repairs and information. Well, since I put the last video out, the world has completely changed. COVID-19 has changed the way the world acts. And in the UK at the moment, 26th of March today, we're in lockdown. So I can't go to work. I've got a lot of time on my hands. Now, it may seem absolutely trivial to talk about cars and repairing cars in a world crisis. But I found the hardest thing to deal with is actually the fear about the virus. And I'm going to find things to do on the car which I should have done years ago. And hopefully that will take my mind off of things. And hopefully if you're watching the video and then do the repair yourself, you'll find that sort of takes your mind off of it for a little while at least. So my aim is to find us jobs which don't require us going to the store to get parts. Things we can do with just the sort of general junk you have around, just piles of junk here. And the first thing we're going to have a go at is the boot lid wiring on the 8 Series. Has a wiring that goes up the hinge, and as the trunk or boot opens and closes, it eventually fatigues the wires, and then the light bulbs don't work anymore on the back. And I've done a temporary repair on mine. I did the actual permanent repair about 8 years ago. And a couple of years ago it stopped working again. And I did a quick emergency repair on it. And now it's got to the point I really need to do it. So that's a great job to do. Takes the minimum of tools. And it's very fiddly and it takes your mind off of things. And the other thing we can do on both the cars is we can sort out the alloys. I do have a habit of curbing them now and again, and I'll show you a way of fixing them so they look great again and so they don't corrode. And the only things we use to repair it is a 3M headlight restoring kit. Yeah, I know it sounds ridiculous, but it works. And a whetstone. And you can get whetstones and the other stuff via mail order, and so we don't have to go out into the world, and should just take a couple of days to arrive. Excuse me. So that's my plan. I'm going to think of a number of jobs that we can do on the car that just takes our mind off of things for a while. And I hope you enjoy the series, and I'll see you later.